2017 Hyundai Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 mpg. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, center armrest, side airbag, security system, clock, power door locks, power windows, CD player, tachometer, overhead console, daytime running lights, intermittent wipers, tilt steering wheel, power outlets, power mirrors. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.